Hi, welcome to our sprint demo for the 22nd of August for a sprint which ended a little late. Each instance of Tenejo has a default domain name at curationexperts that it comes with out of the box. However, we've made it easy to add a custom domain that reflects your institution. During the last sprint, we added a custom domain feature that shows the default domain information, including the domain name, the expiration date of your security certificate for your website, and any additional names that are associated with the security certificate. From the dashboard, you can also add a new domain alias or custom domain name, and the system will walk you through the steps to get it set up correctly. It will check to ensure that you have a properly formatted domain name, give you information about what that should look like and how to do it. It will let you know if you've already configured the domain name. So here we've tried to re-add one that's already in use, so you only need one alias for each host name that you want to use. It will let you know if the name is set up properly in DNS, and if not, how to set it up. And it will check that the name that you're giving it actually points to your website, to your repository. So because we're using the name demo.tenejo.com for another website separate from this repository, it's going to do the check, and it's finding that that domain can't be authorized for this website because Let's Encrypt can't verify that we have control over that, which we don't for this in this case. It's a different website. You will need to probably work with your institution's IT department to set up your custom DNS, which again looks like a CNAME, which is a kind of alias to the new site name that you want, pointing to the default name that is shown in the dashboard. Once you have that default name set up in DNS, you'll be able to visit the site but you'll have a security error because the name still isn't included in the security certificate that the server is providing. So if we look at the names that this certificate is good for, it's good for the default name T3Dev. We've set up aliases at curationexperts. We've set up aliases at a personal domain, but we don't have that alias for tenejo.com yet. So we're going to go ahead and add that. When we do the system, we'll go out and talk to Let's Encrypt, make sure that the domain is resolvable, the domain is available, and we'll see that it's been added. And now when we come back and refresh our site, we'll see that we can get to the site. Our security certificate is valid, and it now includes our newly added domain name. So there's a lot of complexity under the hood to get all of this to work with Let's Encrypt, but it then will give us a new certificate that expires approximately 90 days from now. I think we've pulled this one a little earlier. And then the system will automatically renew the certificates approximately 30 days before they're due to expire. So once you've done this, you never need to come back and revisit it. So that's what we have for this week. Next week, we'll probably be coming back and looking at some custom data modeling. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next Monday.